Hi, in this video, we will see install Java in Windows machine. So we'll see how to download and install Java in Windows machine. So for that, just go to google.com, just search Java, install and install Java. So it will go to java.com and the same way it will show you oracle.com. So go to Java downloads Oracle, just click on this link. So here you see Java 17 available now. So Java 17 is latest stable version. So come down. So here you see that Linux, Mac and Windows. Just click on this Windows and go bit up. Here you see that x64 installer, x64 MSI installer and compressed archive. Then your wish, you can do exe or MSI, any one of these things. This is 150 and this is 152 MB. Just click on this MSI or exe, whatever it is. Just click on this. So it will ask you to download. So in the download section, I'm just save. So it is downloading 151 MB. Okay, it's done. Okay, so before installing, whether I have Java in my machine or not, how you'll come to know that? So for that, just go to Windows terminal or command prompt, whatever it is. Just type Java space hyphen version. Java space hyphen version. Then you see that you'll get an error. The term Java is not recognized as a name of commandlet function, script file or executable program. So if you're getting this kind of error message, so Java is not there in your machine. Okay, so now Java is not there in my machine. So we'll try to install. Just go to the location, the download folder where it is downloaded. So MS, just double click on this. Okay, so preparing to install. So now you have an instruction that Java SE development kit 17.0.1 64-bit. Just click on next. And this is the location. See program files Java-JDK 17.0.1. This is the default location. If you want, you can click on this change and you can change the location where you want to install this Java. But I'll not suggest and I'm not doing that. So click on next. So now it is installing. So it will take some time. So it is asking me to, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I just click yes. So now it will downloading. You see that Java SE development kit successfully installed. Okay, so just close this. So now I need to verify whether Java is installed in my machine or not. So I'll go ahead and I'll type the same command. You see, I'm getting the same error. So better you just close and open again. Don't use the opened terminal. I do again. And then run the same command. You see that now? Java version. Okay. So now it is able to recognize this 17.0.1. So sometimes it will not even recognize. That time what you need to do, you need to set environment variable. Okay. So click on this start button, type environment. So edit the system environment variables. Don't click on this edit environment variables for your account. click on system environment variables. And where is my Java downloaded? Then go to this PC, C drive, and go to program files, then Java. Okay, JDK 17.1. So, and open the bin. So this location, okay, this location, you need to go to here, click on environment variables. Right, means what you need to do, you need to click on this advanced. If it is open something like this, go to advanced environment variables. In the system variables, you will have a path already. Edit that and add here. Okay, here double click on the empty space, add this something like this. Okay, then click OK and OK, and then OK. So this time it will work. And sometimes people will say you need to set Java underscore home. Okay, so for that also you need to go to the same location, environment variable, and then environment variables. In the system variables, click on new, and the variable name is Java underscore home, and should be like this only, Java underscore home, capital, and the location you need to give till here only. No need to give the bin, JDK. Click OK. You see that Java home. Click OK. OK. Okay. Then you will get this information if it is not coming. And the purpose of the path is your system will understand where Java is installed. Okay. That is one thing. And what is the purpose of Java underscore home? So if you install some other applications in your machine for other purpose, but those need Java as a dependency, means if you want to run that application, it needs Java to be installed in your machine. So for that purpose, where the Java is, to know that application, we will give Java underscore home. Okay, that is the purpose. We'll give Java underscore home, and path is where Java is installed, your machine will understand. Okay, so for that purpose, we'll give the Java underscore home and path in the environment variables. So that's how you can download and install Java, and you can set the environment variables. Okay, so this is how you can verify Java is installed in your machine or not. Okay, so we have seen everything: downloaded Java, installed and set environment variable, and possible interview questions like how to install Java and how to set environment variable. Most of the times nobody will ask you to how to install Java, but people might ask how to set environment variable for Java. Okay, so be aware that. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you.